Welcome to the grand finale of Enigma 2020.
सरस्वती विधियुवती सरस्वती विधियुवती संरक्षतु मां श्री सरस्वती विधियुवती संरक्षतु मां श्री सरस्वती विधियुवती संरक्षतु माम् मुरली वीणा गानविनोदिनी संवेदिनी मुरली वीणा गानविनोदिनी संवेदिनी चारुचन्द्रहासिनी सरसिरुहलोचनी मुरारी गुरुगुहमोदिनी शब्दार्थस्वरूपिणी हंसिनी ब्रह्माणि आरक्तवर्णरूपिणी सरस्वती विधियुवती संरक्षतु मां श्री सरस्वती विधियुवती
Thank you, Medha, for that divine invocation. Good morning, everyone. I am Shrigari PV, the school vice captain, and I welcome you all to the grand finale of Enigma 2020. It gives me great pleasure to welcome Aishwarya ma'am, our trustee secretary of schools. Welcome, ma'am. Thank you for joining us. We are very happy to have our beloved principal, ma'am, who has motivated us and has been a constant support here with us today. Welcome, ma'am. I extend a warm welcome to all the coordinators, teachers, and parents who have encouraged us throughout the event. And what would the event be without all you participants? I welcome you all to the grand finale of Enigma 2020. We are here today to felicitate all the prize winners of our event. I'm sure you were all eagerly waiting for the results to be announced. We too were looking forward to announcing the results, but we wanted to give you all a surprise on the Children's Day. And yes, this is your Children's Day gift in advance. You don't need to have all the answers to start. You just have to be willing to take the first step. And just like that, Enigma 2020 was a spontaneous idea. We did not know how we would pull off organizing an event that has been organized by our seniors live in school for many years. Conducting the event amidst the pandemic surely posed a lot of challenges, but it has in its own ways made Enigma more than just a competition. It has enabled the entire NHVK's family to come together and bond as one from wherever you are. This journey has been a very memorable experience for each one of us. It was so exciting for us, the organizing team, right from designing the website, coming up with interesting events, naming them, and to every last bit of it. It has been a learning experience for each one of us. It has helped us discover ourselves and discover the talent our school possesses. Discovering the mystery, the latent talent in each one of us. That is Enigma. It was amazing to see excitement and enthusiasm from all the students. Enigma has shown us the belongingness and dedication each student has towards his or her house. Without any further ado, we would like to show you all a glimpse of Enigma 2020.
COVID-19, the epidemic disease which brought the entire world to a halt, closed down schools and eliminated gatherings. We missed out on nature walks, march pasts, and lunch breaks. We would have missed out on Enigma too. Well, yes, but actually no. Every year, the students of Class 12 organize Enigma with great enthusiasm to encourage creativity, curiosity, and the spirit of healthy competition. The pandemic was indeed a challenge to us, but it might have in its own ways transformed Enigma from a mere competition to an event that has developed a sense of belonging to their houses in the students. This year, Enigma was entirely conducted online, and we have seen immense excitement and enthusiasm from the students of the entire school. Enigma is an inter-house competition with various fun-filled events ranging from creative to technical and challenging to skill. It is a platform for the students to showcase their talents with the motive of not only winning but getting their houses closer to victory. Initially, while planning it, it was just a competition, but now, after seeing the way the students have participated, it has become more than a competition, a memorable event that we have learned something or the other, from dancing to fancy dress, from debating to rapping, from face painting to makeup, quizzing about practically everything on the planet, from not only showcasing the students' talents but having seen their pets' talents, from capturing photos of things and putting it on paper. Is there any field that we have missed out on? This is Enigma 2020.
Over to the anchors for the day.
That was such a nostalgic video, Dia, don't you think?
Yes, indeed, it really was. It took us through our whole journey of Enigma. Oh, hey, we forgot to introduce ourselves, Anushri. What kind of host will they think we are?
Oh, yes. Good morning to one and all present here. We, the students of Class 12, welcome you all to this delightful morning to celebrate the grand finale of Enigma 2020. I am Anushri,
And I am Dia.
and we will be your host for today's event. There's an old Chinese curse which says, "May you live in interesting times." I think we can all agree that this year indeed has been very interesting with the persisting situation of COVID 19. Enigma has been a tradition of our school, and nothing was going to stop us this year, not even COVID. This is the most awaited event of the year, and we are overjoyed by its success.
Quoting Hubert Humphrey, the former Vice President of the United States, there is a great deal of difference between living and surviving. You can survive in debauchery, even in sickness and despair, but you live with a spirit of vitality and a spirit of participation, of being wanted and having something to contribute.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time we acknowledge the talent of our position holders. Without any further ado, we'd like to call upon our judges to reveal the winners of the event, starting with Aditi Madhuchandan for the event Avatar.
Thank you, Anushri. Good morning, all. Thank you for making Avatar a success. It was such a special and fun experience for us to watch you adorable kids spruce up. So, kudos to all of you for participating in this event with such great enthusiasm. Each and every single one of you did a fantastic job portraying your chosen personalities. We feel so lucky to have witnessed such spectacular pieces. The little ones came in with such exuberance and charisma, which really did make it feel like we were in the 90s with the retro theme. The final round came in with a lot of pleasant surprises. Again, a sensational array of performances. All of you did up your game and made it extremely hard for us to determine the winners. But we did come to a conclusion, and the winners are as follows. From Standard 1, in the third place we have Deveshi Ghosh and Ayan Bai, both of Shrama House. In the second place, we have R.K. Aparna Gowda of Shreya House. The first place goes to Tanvi Shetty of Shreya House and Anagha Joshi of Shrama House. Rohan Kumar and Vivan S., both of Shreya House, deserve a special mention for this spectacular performance. From Standard 2, due to the minimum number of participants, we have chosen only one winner. The first place goes to Bautik Hedges of Shrama House. From Standard 3, we have in the third position Nainika of Shrama House and Adya of Shraddha House. Vihan of Shreya House has bagged the second position. Icha S. Nayak has bagged the first position from Shraddha House. Moving on to Standard 4, we have Kashvi Singh of Shreya House in the second place and Anarghya of Shrama House in the first place. Congratulations to all the winners. You all did a great job.
Next up, we have the dance event. Next step, I would like to call upon Charita and Monica to do the honors.
The next step. Where do I even begin to explain how much of a spectacular event this was? Like, do you even remember how many entries we got for this event?
Oh yeah, Charita. We had about like 140 entries. And can you believe that category A had maximum number of qualifications? Also, we named the different dance form this
Oh my god, I don't know. We saw like so many different dance forms like Bharatnatyam, Bollywood, semi-classical, hip-hop, contemporary. Wow, they were so fabulous.
Yes, even though we had like so many criteria for judging, it was so hard for us to pick our qualifiers.
Yes, they all were so good. That's why we had to pick our final winners through an anonymous voting system.
Also, I cannot stop praising their families for the amount of effort they've all put in, like for the costume, the sets, the filming, and the editing of the videos. They were really the stars of this event.
Yes, but we both know that they're not here to listen to our chitter chatter.
Yes. Also, without any further delay, let's begin with the results of the next step, Enigma 2020. Starting off with category A, which consisted of class 1 to class 4. Class 1, we have Ayushi Naskar of Shreya House in the third position, Harshika KP of Shrama House in the second position, and Ashiana Silpal of Shrama House in the first position. Class 2, we have Ankita Adarsha of Shrama House in the second position. We have Arna Kapoor of Shrama House in the third position, Sanvi S. of Shraddha House in the second position, and Shaurya Mundra of Shraddha House in the first position.
Moving on to category B, we have in third place Amulya Sirimane of class 7 from Shrama House, Pratyusha Shetty of class 5 from Shraddha House. In second place, we have Isha Guguri from Shrama House of class 5. And in first, we have U Manasvi Saumyashri of Shreya House from class 7. Moving on to category C, we have Dia Jain of Shrama House from class 11 in third place, Sanya S. Gowda of Shreya House from class 9 in second place, and the first place goes to Kirti Narain of Shreya House from class 10. Congratulations to all the winners.
Anushri, don't you think we have India's next dance superstars right here?
Oh, yes, of course, dear. They're all so talented and skilled at such a young age. Just imagine how far they'll go in the future. Thank you so
Yes.
much, Anita and Monica.
And congratulations to all the winners. Now, I'd like to call upon Sauparnika for the event Facium.
Thanks, Shudhia. Good morning. I am Sauparnika and I will be announcing the winners of Facium. Hope you all are excited to know who the winners are. Facium was a face painting event organized for the students of Category B. This event demanded a unique skill set and we were not disappointed. We had 8 fabulous entries, and these entries were judged on the basis of adherence to the theme, which was abstract, execution, and creativity. Keeping all this in mind, and after a long and hard discussion, the judge committee consisting of Panchini, Chaitra, and myself, Pranika, have come up with the winners indeed from Shreya House. In the second from Shraddha House. The first place, congratulations to all the winners.
Wow, those are some amazing paintings. Thank you so much, Sauparnika, and congratulations to all. Next, I'd like to invite Amshu to give out the winners of the event Pro Artistry.
Pro Artistry, an event which has no limit to imagination. Students of grade 5 to grade 8 of category B actively participated and entries counting up to 110. They showcased their artworks in various different forms and the judges were spellbound by their creativity. I am Amshu and now I'll be announcing the winners from each standard. From class 5. In the third place, we have Sandra D. Zauza of Shraddha House, Isha Gugari of Shama House, and Shivani M. of Shraddha House. In the second place goes to Sinchana Satish of Shama House. And the first place goes to CC Hasini of Shama House. Moving on to Standard 6. We have in the third place Dyuti Jeevan of Shraddha House, Prarthana Y of Shreya House, and Roshan A of Shreya House. And the second place goes to Ranjan Sanjan Kumar of Shreya House and Pranita P of Shraddha House. And the first place goes to Siri Giri of Shraddha House. Moving on to grade 7. In the third place, we have Manishka from Shraddha House and Amrita S. Bhatt from Shraddha House. In the second place, we have Dhyana K.M. of Shreya House and Ritisha M. of Shama House. And the first place goes to Samrid S. Sonar of Shama House. Moving on to Standard 8. The third place goes to Rohan R.H. of Shama House. And the second place goes to Adhya Mohan of Shama House. And the first place goes to Bhakti C. Gowda, also of Shama House. Congratulations to all the winners and all the participants.
Dia, I honestly think we have some untapped talents in our school, and our students have proved it right here that there's no limit for imagination and creativity in their own ways. I wonder what the house points would be after these fantastic results.
Yeah, true. Can we have our school captain to let us know the points so far?
We have Shraddha House in the third position with 8,000 points. Shreya House in the second place with 11,500 points. And the Shama House has taken the lead with 17,500 points. Congratulations, Shama House. As we can see, there's a tough competition between Shama and Shreya House. May the best house win.
Wow, that is a tough competition indeed. Way to go, all Shraddha, Shama, and Shreya House. Next up, we have the results for the event Inquisitorious and I'd like to call upon Darshan to give out the results.
Thank you, Anushri. Inquisitorius was the quiz event for Enigma 2020, and it received enthusiastic performance from all participants, with students from various grades vying to test their knowledge about issues ranging from trivial science to excerpts from the annexures of history. Category B received the most number of participants and was split into two subcategories of classes 5 and 6 and of 7 and 8, of 2 rounds each. The winners of Inquisitorius are as follows. For classes 5 and 6, third place goes to Amog of Shama House and Rahul of Shraddha House. Second place goes to Arnav V of Shraddha House and Pratuksh S of Shama House. And finally, first place for Ayan S of Shama House and Arnav Keshav of Shraddha House. For classes 7 and 8, these are the following winners. Achintya Bhatt and Vaishnavi Shastri, both of Shama House, are at third place. Second place goes to Akshay Shetty and Aniket Rao, both of Shreya House. And first place for Sai Charan S of Shama House and Atreya Deshpande of Shreya House. Congratulations to all winners of Inquisitorius. Keep quizzing.
Wow, congratulations. Hey Darshan, didn't you also conduct In Pursuit of Dispute, which was the debate event? Why don't you give out the results for that as well?
Yes, Anushri, I will. In Pursuit of Dispute was Enigma's debate event, charged with much of the same competitive intent all participants have shown so far, with students eager to duke it out in a battle of wits and war of words, with topics ranging from immigration issues to ethical quandaries, with excellent debate all around. But there could be only one winning team from each category. The winners from Category B are Team Take the Bait of G. Kailash, Manas, and Vaishnavi Shastri, all of Shama House. The winners from Category C are Neelansh Bhatra, second place goes to Bakul Patel, Hakshat Bhatt, and Dheeraj Sai. First place goes to Neelansh Bhatra, Shashank Kanchi, and Athav Jain of Shraddha, Shreya, and Shreya House, respectively. Congratulations to all those who participated in Pursuit of Dispute. And I would like to thank Srinivas and Abhinav, who both were part of the team handling these events, as well as all those from the Enigma team who volunteered to moderate both events, as well as adjudicate some debates. Thank you all.
Congratulations to all the winners and participants. Next up, I would like to call upon Anushri for the event Bon Appetit.
Thank you, Dia. Bon Appetit was a cooking event where the participants put on their chef's hat and showed us their culinary skills and prepared some mouth-watering, delicious dishes. We were blown away by their expertise, sophistication, and innovation which they presented in their platings, which was so enticing and appealing. It was so unfortunate that we could not taste these amazing dishes. Moving on to the results. In the third place, we have Kanishka Daga of class 9 belonging to Shreya House. The second place goes to Sachi Jain of class 9 belonging to Shrama House. And the first place goes to Sakshi Pat of class 10 belonging to Shrama House as well. Congratulations to all. Keep it up.
Those were some really mouth-watering dishes. We have some great chefs right here in our school. Those were some really mouth-watering dishes. We have some great chefs right here in our school. Next up, we have a very different event, an event which none of us could think of. We have the pet show, and I would like to call upon Shri Gari to give out the winners.
It gives me great pleasure announcing the winners of the pet show. This event was so exciting and fun to watch. All the students participated with great enthusiasm and gave their best along with their pets. Being a pet lover myself, I thoroughly enjoyed the event, and now I'd like to announce the winners. In third place from Shrama House, we have P. Sudhir Shetty's pets, Champ and Cherry. In second place from Shrama House, we have Shravya Yagin's pet. And first place goes to Minchu SR, Meda SR's pet, and she belongs to Shraddha House. Congratulations to all the winners and their pets.
Oh my God, those pets are so Cute. It must have been very difficult to select a winner. I could never do this.
I totally agree with you, Dia. It's almost impossible. Congratulations to all the winners of the pet show. Next up, I'd like to call upon Nishit to give out the winners of InstaCam, which was a photography event.
Thank you, Anushi. Does your talent weigh a gram to take pictures for Instagram? Show your skills in Instacam and make the judges go bam. And yes, we were dumbstruck. I would like to commend the hard work that the participants put up to click that optimum pictures. And now, announcing the winners of Instacam. In third place, we have Jnanasagar Hedge of Class 9 from Shrama House. In second place, we have Karthik Venkatapenta of Class 10 in Shreya House. And the first place goes to Shreyas Bopana PP of Class 11 from Shraddha House. Congratulations to all the winners. Back to you, hosts.
Wow, those were some stunning clicks. Thank you so much, Nishit, and congratulations to all the winners. Now, I'd like to call upon my co-host, Dia, to announce the results for her event, Shoot Your Shot.
Thank you, Anushri. Shoot Your Shot was an event which had 3 categories on which the students were to be judged. It had comedy, mad ads, memes, and short films. All teams put in a lot of effort to get their place in the competition. This event required a lot of patience and endless amount of hard work, and my team and I had to come up with the winners after a lot of thinking. I'd now like to call the winners of the event Shoot Your Shot. From Class 5, we have Nirali V. Mehta from Shraddha House. From Class 6, we have Manya Kengeri Shankar from Shrama House. From Class 7, we have Trisha Balaji and group from Shreya House. From Class 8, we have Rohan RH. This was a group event, but Mokshvi Mehta and Shreya S. Kudalur participated it single-handedly, and they are the special mentions for this event. From Class 11, we have Sumedh K. and Paraptar Gaud from Shraddha and Shreya House. Congratulations to all the winners and participants. You really did a great job.
Oh my god, that must have been a very tough competition indeed. They're all giving such a tough fight to make sure that their house leads.
Yes, I know, right? Can we have a glimpse of the house points again?
The points table has been updated after these set of events, and now for the points. We can see Shraddha House has rose to 14,250 points and is in the third place. In second place, we have 19,750 point holder Shreya House, and in the lead, Shrama House continues to stay and has 31,250 points. This is going to be a very interesting competition.
That is unbelievable. These results are so exciting. Anyone could win. I'm so excited.
This is a game changer. I can't wait to know which house wins. Next up, we have Shreya for Subtle Shimmer.
Thank you, Dia. Subtle Shimmer, as the title suggests, was a glamorous event in its true sense. It is said the best makeup artists in the world use makeup to magnify the beauty that already exists. It was a unique event in which the participants had to present their aesthetic skills and creativity by showcasing their makeup mastery. It requires skills and talent to do an appealing and neat makeup, and students of class 9 to 11 from category C unleash their inner artist in the most creative, beautiful, and in a competitive way which stunned us, the judges. Coming to the winners, the third place goes to Amrita PN of class 11, Shraddha House. The second place goes to Divya Devang of class 11, Shreya House. And the winner of the event is Pranati Ravikumar of class 11, Shrama House.
Congratulations to all the winners and a big thank you to everyone who participated and made this event a success.
Wow, the precision, the technique, and the design is so mesmerizing. Congratulations to all the winners and participants.
Next up, we have Sanha to give out the results for the event Artoholic.
Thank you, Anushri. I am Sanha, a member of the judging committee for the event Artoholic, which is an art-related competition, and I will be announcing the winners for the event. The artists were judged based on creativity, complexity, neatness, and overall relation to the topic provided. There was tough competition amongst all the participants, but it was an exciting and enjoyable experience for us all. In the words of Gustav Klimt, art is a line around your thoughts. The participants of Artoholic have beautifully outlined their imagination, their thoughts, and their expressions in a way where the colors would do to the eyes what flavors would do to the tongue. Thank you so much for your enthusiastic participation. Each and every one of them came up with a beautiful piece for the topic Mandala art themed on your favorite fictional character. And now it's finally time to reveal who the three best artists of the event were. The third place goes to Shreya Yagin of Class 9 from Shraddha House. The second place is bagged by Yukta P of Class 11 from Shreya House. And the first place goes to Tejaswini V of Class 10 from Shraddha House. Each artwork was unique and extraordinary and deserves a big round of applause. Hearty congratulations to you all.
Wow, those were so beautiful. Thank you, Sanha, and congratulations.
Next up, I would like to call upon Vansh, Medha, and Nishit for the event Vibe Up.
From the lands of the West to the coast of Karnataka, from the tunes of the flute to the notes of the guitar, we bring you into this wonderland of music. This is Vibe Up. We've received some of the finest pieces of music from 250 participants, and our judges have worked together to reveal the names of the best performers to you today. We shall begin with category A. In class 1, the third prize goes to Rohan Kumar from Shreya House. The second prize goes to Anvesha Roy from Shreya House. And the first prize goes to Tanvi S from Shreya House as well. In class 2, the third place goes to Kashish Rakesh from Shreya House. The second place goes to Shreya S. Nawale from Shreya House. And the first place goes to Bhautik HS from Shrama House. In class 3, the third place goes to Aditya K from Shraddha House. The second place goes to Ninaisha from Shreya House. And the first place goes to Ahana Patil from Shreya House. In class 4, the third place goes to Shreya Madhusudan from Shrama House. The second place goes to Aditya V. Rao from Shreya House. And the first place goes to Pranatishri Ji from Shrama House. Congratulations, winners. Well done. Handing it over to Medha for category B.
Thank you, Vansh. I'm Medha, a part of the judging panel for the event Vibe Up, and I would now like to reveal the winners for category B of this event. Starting with class 5, in third place we have Jhanya BK from Shraddha House. The second place goes to Devansh Dugar from Shreya House, and the first place goes to Sinchana Satish from Shrama House. Moving on to class 6. The third place goes to Arya Arun Bhatt from Shreya House. The second place goes to Samat Chandra and Bharat Chandra R. Bharadwaj from Shreya House and Shrama House. And in first place, we have Arjun Karthik from Shrama House. Class 7. The third place goes to Rohan R. Prashant from Shrama House. The second place goes to Sanjana Ajay Kashi from Shraddha House. And in first place, we have
Riya Mahesh Guru from Shreya House. Finally, Class 8. The third place goes to Nischal A from Shreya House. The second place goes to Sharanya Murthy from Shrama House. And last but not least, the first place goes to Siddhartha V. Kumar from Shraddha House. Congratulations to all the winners. I would now like to call upon Nishit to announce the winners for category C.
For Viber category C, the third place goes to Tejaswini Vijay Kumar of Shraddha House. The second place goes to Dheeraj Sahi Pilati, class 10 of Shreya House. And the first place goes to Sumit K and Paratma Gaur from class 11 of Shraddha and Shreya House respectively. Vaibhav M and Pranav Sanjeev deserve special mentions. I would like to quote Plato: music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Congratulations to all the winners. Back to you, hosts.
Congratulations to all the winners of Vaibhav, and thank you Vansh, Medha, and Nishit. Last but not least, we have Sri Gauri to announce the winners of the event Rap Battle.
Rap Battle, our bonus event. It was received with so much excitement from the students of classes 5 to 11. Within the first few hours of opening the event itself, we received so many registrations. We were thrilled to see the participants rap with such clear verse, and it sure was a tough task to pick winners. So without any further delay, I'd like to announce the winners for the event. From classes 5 to 8, the winners are as follows. In third place, we have Punya Arvind from Shreya House. In second place, Pranav Paida from Shrama House. And first place goes to Sanay Parikh from Shrama House. Shivani, Nidhi D, and Anusha Shastri are the special mentions for this event. From category C, Shama S. Pavagada bags the first place and she belongs to Shrama House. Congratulations to all the winners. And quoting Kanye West, reach for the stars, so if you fall, you land on the clouds.
Ladies and gentlemen, our participants are so talented who can be so versatile. They can do their job really well, and that's proven right in front of you.
May I please hear a huge round of applause for all the winners and, more importantly, the participants who each made this event a successful and a memorable one, not only for themselves, but also for us, as we had a mesmerizing time trying to conduct all these events and make Enigma 2021 on an online platform a huge success.
Now, I would request the dear Principal Ma'am to share her thoughts and feelings about today's grand finale.
Good morning to all of you children watching this program today. First of all, let me wish all of you children a very happy Children's Day in advance. Congratulations to all the students who participated so enthusiastically. And my dear children of class 12, what do I say? It was astounding the way you presented the whole program online with that touch of professionalism. Right from the moment you planned Enigma, the website that you created, the precision with which you executed the preliminary, the unassuming way you went about conducting the whole program had that distinct touch of class, which is the NHVPS hallmark. The entire class of 12 has put in a lot of hard work amidst their tight study schedule. I have to mention here our school captain, Aditi Madhuchandan, our school vice captain, Sri Gauri, and our technical wizard, Nishit, who has been behind Enigma right from website creation to the final technical presentation. Of course, all this would not have been possible without the unstinted support of our co-curricular coordinator, Mrs. Sudha Parameswaran, and training nodal coordinator, Mrs. Revati Sundaresan, and all coordinators and teachers who are always there for the children. The program would not have been such a resounding success without the overwhelming participation of students right from standard 1 to standard level. The nervous excitement of the students was palpable not only from students' side, but also parents and grandparents who had their own queries and worries. The little ones of PG 1, 2, and 3 might not have participated, but they have their own activities carefully planned out by the coordinator, Janki ma'am, and her team of teachers. A big thank you to all the parents, especially of the little ones, who are more excited than the children and who are very eager to know the results. Children, let me tell you all of you are winners. It is a positive attitude of taking part and being magnanimous in victory and defeat that shows your personality. So enjoy every moment of your life and live life king size. God bless you all, children. Happy Children's Day once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your encouraging and kind words and for always supporting us at every step of this journey.
And now it's time for the most awaited moment, the overall house winner. And for this, we would like to invite our school vice captain, Shrigari PV, and our school captain, Aditi Madhuchandan, to do the honors.
So here's the most awaited part. In the third position, we have Shraddha House with 20,500 points. And in the second position, wait, Shrigari, why don't you tell this?
Yeah. In second place, we have
Shrigari, I'm not able to hear anything. Gauri, you're on mute. Okay, Gauri, if you're going to do this, I'm going to leave the meeting.
Oh, okay, wait. I was just playing around. So, in second place, we have Shreya House, and the winner of this year's Enigma goes to Shrama House with 40,750 points.
Congratulations, Shrama House. And we have Shreya House in the second place with 33,250 points. Congratulations, Shreya House and Shraddha House.
Congratulations to Shrama House for winning this year's Enigma, and congratulations to all the participants for making their house win.
Congratulations to Shrama House and all the students of Shrama House on your well-deserved success. Victory is indeed a special achievement, and achievements have to be celebrated. Your dedication, enthusiasm, and commitment has proven it once again.
Congratulations, Shrama House. You all did a great job. We would also like to congratulate Shreya and Shraddha House for giving a tough competition.
Now, I'd like to invite our school captain, Aditi Madhuchandan, to propose the vote of thanks.
Every ending is simply a new beginning. It has been our greatest pleasure in hosting such a stupendous and memorable event. I would like to start by thanking Aishwarya Ma'am for the support and valuable time for witnessing the grand finale. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our dear Principal Ma'am for giving us the chance to conduct the event, and our CCA coordinator Sudha Ma'am for being with us, driving us and designing this event so beautifully, thus making this year's Enigma a successful one. I would like to thank Revati Ma'am for guiding us and helping us at every step organize the event. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to all the teachers for their immense help and constant support, without which the event would have not been possible. A special thanks to all the parents encouraging the participation to the fullest. And now, thank you all dear students for your cooperation and participation. I would like to thank all my fellow classmates for organizing and structuring this event wonderfully. Last but not the least, since this year's Enigma was an online event, I would like to thank the Almighty for uninterrupted power supply and good connection. The e-certificates will be emailed shortly. Once again, thank you all.
लेकिन पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्तों.
Hearty congratulations to all the winners, and thank you for your active participation, without which this event would not have been a grand success. I hope you all enjoyed this as much as we did. We wish you a very happy and safe Diwali.
With this, we have come to the end of our show, Enigma 2020.
Until next time, adieu to all.